Buy today.
So we bought bread, snacks, detergent, paper plates.
How was it inside?
Crazy.
And how many inches do you think we're gonna get this weekend?
I'm figuring maybe 9
And-
to 12 maybe.
And what kind of food did you buy today?
Well, we have chicken, chopped meat, turkey chopped meat. We have pork. And I think that's it for right now because we got to freeze the pork. So
And one
the meat
last-
was just that.
One last question. Did you buy any salt today?
No, we have.
You have?
Yes.
Good.